Have you ever trusted someone completely, only to find out everything they told you was a lie? Whether it's a partner who betrayed you, a friend who used you, or a scammer who took your money, betrayal doesn't just hurt your wallet or your relationship. It breaks something deeper, your ability to trust. Today, we're going to talk about why betrayal hurts so much, and more importantly, how you can actually heal from it. The first thing that happens after betrayal is shock. Your brain literally can't process what just happened. You might find yourself thinking, there has to be some explanation for this, or maybe I'm misunderstood. This isn't weakness. It's your mind's way of protecting you from a truth that's too painful to accept all at once. Psychologists call this a defense mechanism, and it's completely normal. Once the shock wears off, anger usually comes next. You might feel furious at the person who betrayed you, at yourself for not seeing it sooner, or even at the world for letting this happen. Here's the thing, anger isn't the enemy. It's actually a sign that you're starting to acknowledge what happened. The danger is only when we get stuck here, replaying the betrayal over and over without moving forward. This is one of the most painful stages. You start asking yourself, how did I not see this? Was I too naive? Too trusting? But here's something important to remember. The fact that you trusted someone doesn't make you foolish. It makes you human. Manipulators and scammers are often skilled at exploiting trust. That's not a reflection of your intelligence. It's a reflection of their deception. Betrayal is a loss. The loss of trust, the loss of the relationship you thought you had, sometimes even the loss of your own sense of safety in the world. It's okay to grieve that. Give yourself permission to feel sad, even if the person doesn't deserve your tears. You're not grieving them. You're grieving what you believed was real. This is where healing really begins. Instead of asking, how can I trust others again? Start with, how can I trust myself again? Trusting yourself means believing that even if you get hurt again, you'll be able to handle it. It means knowing your own worth isn't defined by someone else's lies. Healing doesn't mean becoming closed off or cynical. It means learning to set healthier boundaries, being more mindful of red flags, while still allowing yourself to connect with others. The final stage isn't about forgetting what happened. It's about integrating it, carrying the lesson without carrying the pain forever. You don't have to thank the person who hurt you, but you can thank yourself for surviving it and for choosing to heal instead of staying stuck. Healing from betrayal takes time, and there's no right timeline. Be patient with yourself. If you've been through betrayal, let us know in the comments which stage you're in right now. We read every single one.